This statement is taken from DAWN News, being recorded at the rate of 80 WPM start. As it struggled to contain major protests across the country, the Iranian government on Sunday warned the United States of retaliation against its military bases and Israel if the Trump administration attacked Iran over a violent crackdown on protesters. Full stop. Large crowds have gathered nationwide in recent days, chanting slogans of anti-government despite an internet blackout that rights groups say is being used to hide the deadly crackdown by security forces. Full stop. According to a US-based rights group, the death toll has reached around 500 amid violence that has swept major cities, including Tehran. Full stop. IRNA, in its latest spreadsheet based on activists inside and outside Iran, it had verified the death of 490 protesters and 48 security personnel, while more than 10,600 people have been arrested. Full stop. Reuters was unable to independently verify these figures. Full stop. Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian said enemies of the Iranian people had trained groups inside and outside the country to destroy public and private property and kill citizens. Full stop. He said rioters and saboteurs were not genuine protesters, adding that the government listens to protesters and has made efforts to resolve their problems. Full stop. Against this violent backdrop, the United States offered to help the Iranian people, while the Trump administration reportedly discussed possible strike targeting Iran. Full stop. With the clerical establishment facing its biggest demonstrations since 2022, Trump has repeatedly warned Iran against using force on protesters. First, in a phone call on Saturday, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and US Secretary of State Marco Rubio discussed possible US intervention, Reuters reported. Full stop. Addressing Parliament on Sunday, Iran's Speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf warned Washington against miscalculation, saying any US attack would make occupied territory and US military and shipping centers legitimate targets. Full stop. He also blamed the US and Israel for training and bringing terrorists into Iran from abroad during recent unrest. Full stop.